Hello, good evening. So what we have today is 8th of February. It's 20 to 9, 8:40 in the evening, Manchester, England, and I got one of these Apple Watch to fix. What is it doing that is when you connect to the charger, it's showing this. I don't know if you could see that. It's just only showing this sign. And it's been doing this for quite long. We assume that it is something to do with the battery's dried out or something. I have never opened this before, so gonna be something to work with. I always love working with Apple devices. I think I'm gonna make a video this time to see. I love the charger though, it's amazing. Okay, I'm gonna take one also. Only problem with these kind of chargers, we can't use a multimeter to check if the charger itself is okay. I don't know how I'm going to test that. Maybe there'll be something out there, but I have not studied out about this yet, so you never know. Anyway, so you got a watch and we're gonna open it, and it just shows that logo when you're connecting to the charger. So it just shows that sign showed you before. Apart from that, I don't see anything. So just on a button, all this, whichever. I've never operated this watch. If I fix this, I might get one of this. I want to see how does it work and everything. Right, okay, let's do that then. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut this video here, and I'm gonna heat the glass to take it off. So I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so I've heated. I put this on a metal plate actually. It's used to remove the LCD, so it's a bit warm now. I want to try and lift it up the screen with my opener. See what it does. Don't want to scratch anything, damage anything. This lovely device, so I just want to keep it as it is. It's not that easy, is it? Not that easy as I thought. Nope. I think it's going to take up a long time. This tool did work. It did go inside it. But it's not like kind of lifting up or anything. Oh yeah, it's doing something from this side. Let's see if I can put this surgical blade and open it. Okay, so it's in. Not this. Very awesome device. I'm loving it actually. It's like one of those iPod Nano they had. That's what I was discussing with one of my customers. He said it's exactly like iPod Nano, apart from they put the belt on. We call it a watch. I might give it a little bit of heat. Also on computer is iPhone 8 and it's in a boot loop. Came for LCDs and normal boot loop. When you put a Chinese screen on, devices keep on rebooting. So I'm going to put that back on the metal plate actually. Okay, so yeah, we put it on the plate and it took a while to actually take it off, so I didn't make a video of that, but I took it off finally. I used this tools I use is one of these soft lifter. It uses soft blade actually, I would say, and that's so amazingly nice to work with so many devices. I mean, so many different chips and everything. So you use with that a little bit to go underneath, cleaned it. Then I used this surgical blade I had, and in the end I had this metal card. That is amazing. So that just slice it open without damaging anything. So it has been opened. Now I'm gonna disconnect the rest of the stuff and check what's we're dealing with. So I'm gonna open this metal plate is here. Okay, what that plate is, and that hold the connectors together. How does that come off? Okay. Looks like a mission. Shouldn't be though. Is holding the flux together. Okay. Of the LCD and the battery. It just moves. It moves here and there, so let's just understand what does it do. So it moves here and it moves back. It moves here and there. Trying to open it gently. Don't want to damage anything. I think I have to open this now. Maybe it's so difficult. Why? That's the all of it is coming off. Okay, it's sticky. I think it's sticky. Stick down. Oh, see, and then slides open. Oh, I see. That's amazing. So lift up this bit. Sticky is here as well. Then okay. Right, so this is it. Now what? What is it? Seriously. Anyway, so let's try and open it. Sucker. Okay. Shall I use a blade? No. I know that this is gonna open it. That's a horrible, horrible thing here. We're almost there. Maybe stuck. Or maybe if I open it from here. It even opens up too, so okay, it's a bit sticky here. Disconnect. There's a bit of heat. Alright, submission. Very good. Very good, amazing protection. It's the first time I'm opening it, so it's a learning process. Do's and don'ts. So here we go. My mission is to get to the battery actually, because the battery, in my opinion, the battery is causing some sort of issue here. But if we can open this sucker, it's gonna be good. And why it's not opening? Wow. Okay. Let's open it this much. I don't want to tear it, so I'm gonna open it this way. Just relax. Okay. Oh wow, that is sweet. There's definitely clamps here that's supposed to be open. Once it's been released, then you can disconnect your LCD. Okay, let's see. That is mission, to be honest. I was not expecting this hard. If it's not hard, you can't make money. Thank you, Apple, for making things harder. I think we are almost there. Come on, dude. One step closer to remove this shield, which is keeping the flags of LCD intact, because I would just want to disassemble it, learn it from this Apple Watch, and then you can see if we can get more of these to repair. Yes, we removed it. Oh damn me, what a mission it was. Anyway, this is it. This was the sucker. Oh shit, took ages. Luckily we haven't damaged anything. So this is LCD, this is the flags supposed to be there. You damage anything? No, we're good. Where's the battery now then? Let's check the battery. So here's the battery. Where does it connect? Is this the battery? I'm sure this is the battery here. So yeah, this is where we are now. We have opened it. I think the battery is just there somewhere. There's one of the connectors of the battery. Okay, where? Yeah, this one. Somewhere here. This is LCD digitizer. This is a connector. Flags going onto the board. Where the hell is logic board? It's amazingly tiny. Okay, let's see if we can lift up the battery. For that, I'm going to use a plastic guitar tool. Oops, broke. Broke my guitar tool. Like that. This is an amazing device. Well, let's see if we can get rid of the battery. Well, I'm trying to get rid of the battery because I have to check the what sort of voltage this battery holds at the moment, and if we can't do something with this existing battery, or we have to order a new one. So the battery is here, and now disconnect. Let's use the guitar tool. Last bit is the tweezer. Okay, so we disconnected it. Now let's get back to this amazing device which we have, multimeter. Let's see what sort of voltage we have here. Can we see anything? Oh, shite. Seriously, I zoomed in and I forgot to zoom out again. I'm sorry for that, but I'm too excited. So I'm gonna check the meter, check the voltage on it. Wow, seriously, nothing? We got nothing here? No voltage at all. Awesome. This is awesome. We don't have no voltage at all here. Okay, now what sort of voltage we getting here and where? I'm going to use this. Alright, well, I hope you can see what's happening here. If not, I don't see any voltages coming here. How does this sucker works? Is that, how do you get the voltage coming here? It's showing something over there on my USB device. Or is it not connected? Meter? Oh, you're good. I'm at 20 volts. Let's check now. Nothing. Nothing. Clearly nothing coming here. Is that the charger faulty? It could be charger faulty. Hey, we got something. 0.3 volt, which is peanuts. This device. Okay, so we have nothing here. Surprisingly, it's showing something on my USB power supply. Point 3 is nothing. It's not gonna do anything. Device thinking all sort of combination. So what I'm thinking, guess what I'm thinking? I'm thinking to boost this battery. Yeah, and then I'll check what it's doing. I'm gonna give a 3 point. I'm gonna give it a 4 volt. Check. What does that do? Right, 4 volt, and should I give it 2 amp? units, 2 amp, 2 amp. Okay, so we have 4 volt and 2 amp. Right, let's do that. Let's check. So what we get here. Leave it here. And on the battery it says plus is here and the minus is, so we go with that formation. Let's see what does it do on the meter. Nothing. On DC power supply, nothing. What are we doing wrong? Are we doing something wrong? That is not right way. This is the right way. To show some sort of power coming into the device, but nothing. I'm sure this is plus. Okay, let's put it this way and connect here and check on nothing whatsoever. Nope. 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 Maybe let's say this is ground. No. Nothing. This is ground, so we got nothing coming in the battery. Okay, I'm gonna use another cable. Maybe it's my cable. I'm gonna use a multimeter too. So let's check that way what is happening here. So now I don't have to look at the multimeter, the power supply. I just have to look at the meter. The meter does anything. Guess what? Nothing. It's already showing 412. This is the voltage I'm throwing. Try to inject some current. And we're getting nothing. To be honest, nothing. 0. Wow. It might need new battery. There's nothing on the battery at all. Let's reassemble it and see what does it do. Maybe it just only charges when it's assembled. If it does, I'm gonna kill it. I'm not gonna kill it. Just saying that. Say to one of my colleagues as a joke. If that phone doesn't work, I'm gonna kill it. Usually I say that it's a dead phone anyway. He says it's dead anyway. You know who that guy is. He's in. Okay, so that's how the battery goes in. You click in. Battery is connected. LCD is connected. Let's check on this. We're getting the same sign. Still getting the same thing. In my opinion, is asking me. Maybe it's just a charger faulty. Let's do it on a 1 amp. It was connected to 2 amp. I can also do that. I can, instead of trying to charge with the USB, we can check it with the 2 amp volt socket. Let's see what does it do with that. Maybe it does any sort of. It's almost wow. I'm gonna just. I think I might need an order some of the stuff for this watch. I think someone must have got this somewhere. Not doing. Socket. Let's see what it does now. Come on. Same sign. Are we getting any sort of voltage coming from this annoying thing? I'm not gonna disconnect the battery. Let me check the voltage from here. See what does it do here. Okay, we're getting something. This is good sign. That means her charger is okay. Yeah. That also tells me that it something to do with the battery. Let's disconnect that now. And what does that come up with now on the screen? So it's still doing the same. That is actually booting up without the battery. Try to boot up. Coming with the Apple logo. Well, I'm assuming from this operation that it is faulty battery because it's charging there. Let's check the voltage on the battery one more time. We're not injecting whatsoever current at all. It's 0. It is totally 0. Is it been damaged or something somewhere? don't think so. It has been teared somewhere. No. So why it doesn't have no voltage at all? Okay, let's check on the board. We got that is am I checking some different device today? Not getting no voltage at all when it's disconnected from the battery. That is whoa. This is wow. Now we're not getting no voltage. Let's connect the battery again. Strange, right? This is learning process. We learn from it. What I'm learning from here is that if the battery is 0 or the battery is disconnected, this watch would show you Apple logo. It's like one of these old iPhone 4S, when the people used to come and bring and say it's a battery connector is damaged, and we used to say if even if it's a battery connector damage, the device should boot up without the battery connected to it. If the battery is not booting, if the phone is not booting without a battery, that means there's something wrong with that. So similar things happening here. I'm 100% sure this is, and we're gonna get a battery for this, and then we're gonna make another video for this. So thank you for watching, and I'll be back with the next video. Thank you very much. See you later. Bye. Right, so what we did, we got the battery in stock after 2 weeks. It took a 2 week to receive this battery, and I'm making the third part of this Apple Watch repair. It was coming up with the Apple with the green sign of trying to charge it whenever I was connecting with this charger. And so what we did, we replaced this battery. We took out this battery. This was the original battery, was inside. So we took this battery off and we put a new battery in. To be honest, I forgot to make that video when I was putting that in, and then it was about to go back to the customer today. Then I remembered that I was making a video of that when it came. I'm just making this video to show some of these guys who are trying to repair these watches. If you are getting this green sign and is green charging sign that is coming up with the wire sign and everything, if that comes on, that is to do with this battery. So you replace the battery and your device is okay. So I'm just going to connect to the charger and show you that it's charging too. Unfortunately, this device got a password lock on it, and we do not have that password, and so we can't check rest of the stuff. So okay, it's 100% charged. So yeah, it's connected to the charger. As soon as I connect it, it's going to tell you that it's 100% charged. So yeah, this is all okay, good to go. This is just a tiny video. I'm gonna attach it with the other parts of the video, so I don't know, it might help it, and it's going to be a reference for us as well for the future repairs if you get more watches. So this has been fixed, and if you can see, no scratches, no marks, no nothing, all nice and neat. We closed, now lifting up as well. What we used to close it, B7000. It's amazing to stick it back some of these devices. Yeah, let's just connect it and let's see how does it look when the strap is on. Okay, there you go, this way. Ooh, wrong passcode. I didn't even try a passcode. Maybe just press it itself. Yeah, so it's on. Watch. Ready to go. Just change the battery on your device is sorted. So this is it. Do subscribe our channel. Give us your feedback, comments. We have more videos coming soon. I want to show you what I have around. This is the iPhone 7. I had it. There was no power. It was badly liquid damaged and it had a shortage. So we managed to remove the shortage, and you will be surprised to see that this LCD is still working. So that on, code on, need to check is the status written on it. Just gonna make sure it's still on. Come on, dude. Has gone to sleep. Shouldn't. Maybe the battery is not charged or something. Yeah, let's check. There are many of the searching ones waiting in the queue. I have to do them. I might do them today. It's charging. Yeah, it is on. It's on. I think just charger was not connected. So yeah, it came as a dead. It had a shortage. It came as a data recovery. So we managed to bring it back to life. It's badly liquid damaged, to be honest. I'm going to show you the board. What's this condition of the board actually? So I got 3 more iPhone 7 lying there. Came for different issues. One of them is a sound problem. I might change the sound IC and throw a jumper to make sure that that works too. This one came as dead, no power. Later on we figured out it's got a shortage, so we managed to remove the shortage. Phone came on. I was not expecting that this LCD would work. It is working. Wow. But their own battery is faulty. You can see that is so not very in good condition. You can see that it's very flimsy and it's not like very flat, and like is when you have a good battery you can tell by comparing one of these batteries. This battery is faulty. We're not going to put this battery on because the phone was liquid damaged. Sometimes when you put the wrong water liquid damaged batteries on, they can cause a trouble too. So I'm just gonna get rid of this Apple Watch. I would say that is fixed. Give it back to the customer. Oh, by the way, it's 4th of March today, and what a horrible snow we had recently. Whoever lives in the UK, they would have noticed that the worst snow. I think they call it Armageddon or something. God, it was worst. I do hope that people are safe out there, not got affected by the snow. I'm gonna give this battery back to this Apple customer, Apple Watch guy. I really wanted to go inside and try some of these features what is the work like, and it just we've got code on, so just don't know. Anyway, so this is the reference video continuation of the two parts I made earlier. I was trying to open it, explain the problem, and then we opened it and went inside and checked some of these basic tests that where is if the voltage is coming or not. So yeah, this is done, code on, moving back to the customer. This is still trying to boot on. It will come on eventually, because none of the flex is connected at the moment. I did not connect any of the flex, just to make sure that device does come on. When the device does come on, then after that I'm going to connect and see the rest of the things. So I'm going to finish this video here. I got some of the signal phones in front of me, powered on, right, okay, some of the dead phones. I got 1 signal, 2, 3, 4, 5, dear me, 6. I can count up to 6 so far. There's 6. Let's see if I got some more. No service. Yeah, we had a couple of 4013 errors. We replaced none. Managed to fix them. They did come on. Error was removed, and I think a couple of them have a problem with the signal too. So we're trying to do that as well. So if I include them, it's going to be like 8 of them. So yeah, this iPhone 7 dead on. Okay, code on. I'm going to show you the board actually. What's the condition of a board, so you'll see what we're talking about here. So I'm going to disconnect the charger, battery, LCD, board, there you go. So the board was actually a liquid damage. This region was badly affected. Still, you can see those corroded caps, but they're not stopping it to work the device. What I had one of the shorted cap, which was here. Would you believe that when I connected to the charge, battery started smoking? It was heating up here with his own battery, but his battery didn't have enough voltage, so I connected with the charge battery. So when I connect charge battery, this one of the cap will start heating up. I took the cap off, and it's come back to life. Yeah, another symptom it didn't have much of the voltage. I also changed the TriStar on this, because with his TriStar was not coming on at all, no voltage throwing anything at all. So maybe that would have caused problem in the TriStar too. So I changed the TriStar. As soon as the TriStar was replaced and I connected charge battery, I could see the smoke is coming from here. So one of the cap, I didn't do any freeze test on this, to be honest. I just checked it with the measurement, and I figured it out that this is a problem here. So took it off and it came back to life. Okay, right. I was trying to figure it out which one was it. Anyway, so I'm going to close this from my colleague, and he will complete it, and then we're going to tell a customer too that this phone is on. We need the code to make sure that we can check rest of the functions on the phone if they want to make it as a working phone, because if they're basically it came as a dead data recovery. So if they are okay with that, they'll be fine. Data can be recovered. Just need to put the code on, and your device is back to normal. I hope that nothing else is like causing it to prevent working. Whoops. trying to run my ZXW and it's not working. I was trying to figure out what that cap is, what lane it is which was causing an issue. Now I'm going to connect all these cables and see. The flux is fine. No networks found. Oops. Okay, I'm gonna connect our battery. Samples battery it is actually, so yeah, it should boot quicker than the last time. I hope it does. If it's not, then we might have issue with the sound IC or something somewhere. Yeah, so it did boot up very quick, so you can tell that is when everything is connected, it does boot up quick. Also, that also tells you if the logic board have an issue, one of those connectors or one of the caps or one of those lines which got which are related to your earpiece and camera connector, home button flags, and the LCD connector. If one of these lanes are on the board are faulty, it would slow boot too. So this is fine, done, good to go. Say Apple Watch was done as well, and this too. So hopefully we'll help some other guys to fix these devices. Alright, take care, see you later, bye for now.